Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclohexane is there. You have methoxide and alcohol in the third position. You have to find the most stable configuration of it. Here question is tricky. You might think and answer. If you answer in the blind side, you might commit a mistake. Normally in any cyclohexane, axial bond is less stable than equatorial bond because of the steric effect. Hydrogen feel the repulsion of substitution, so always equatorial is stable there. Here our case also you might think of same, but axial is stable here. The axial stability comes from the hydrogen bonding. Oxygens are electronegative and hydrogen can play between 3, and the position is very perfect if it is in axial position. So stable 6-member ring forms, it is very stable. Here axial position is stable. The concept we outline here is, in normal case axial is less stable than equatorial, but hydrogen bonding make axial carbon very stable. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.